your past or your present or your future. So we can say that today what are you doing? It is matter. It is dependence. It makes your future. આજે તમે એજ્યુકેશનની અંદર સરખી રીતના ધ્યાન નથી આપતા તો તમારું ફ્યુચર કંઈક એ રીતના સેટ થશે. બટ ઇફ યુ આર ડુઈંગ એજ્યુકેશન, you are taking education very well, that means in future you becomes a graduate, you becomes a organized employees, you becomes good responsibilities, good jobs, etc. So it means your future is created by what you do in today. Okay, clear all of you? Clear all of you?
Yes.
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 Okay. Now tell me, in last lecture what we completed?
3.1.
I think in 3.1 we left last question. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Question number 7.
Yes, beta. Question number 7, first of all, we have to do, and then we can. Okay, see. In question number 7, two figure is given here, and in both the figure, angle X, Y, and Z. Sum of X, Y, and Z we have to find here. Now we can see simply X, Y, and Z are exterior angle of triangle. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Hmm.
Yes.
X, Y, and Z are exterior angle of given triangle, and interior angle 90 degree and 30 degree is given. So first we have to find third interior angle, and then we can easily find out the sum of X, Y, Z. Okay, see here on the live board. Here given that one triangle. Okay. Uh, 1 minute, wait. Okay. Now you can see in a figure, X is exterior angle, 90 is interior angle. And we know that sum of these two angles, X plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because of interior angle and exterior angle are making linear pair. Okay. So X is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. We get X is equal to 180 minus 90, 90 degree. Same thing for Y. You can see Y and 30 degree are linear pair. So Y plus 30 degree is equal to 180. We get Y is equal to 180 minus 30. So Y is equal to 180 minus 30 means 150 degree. Okay. And the another interior angle, third interior angle, it is not given. But we know that the angle sum of triangle is 180 degree. Right? So if the angle sum of triangle is 180 degree, it means we are taking third angle 90 degree, 30 degree and plus third angle which is unknown. We can find easily from angle sum property. So 90 plus 30, 120 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. So angle 3 is equal to 180 minus 120. We get angle 3 is equal to 60 degree. It is third interior angle. Now you know that angle 3 and angle Z is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because of it is linear pair. It is angle 3. I just show you angle number 3. Angle 3 and Z are linear pair. So the sum of these two angles, angle 3 plus angle Z is equal to 180. Right? Angle 3 we get 60 degree plus Z is equal to 180 degree. So Z is equal to 180 minus 60 degree. We get Z is equal to 120 degree. Now we get X, Y, Z. What we have to find? We have to find X plus Y plus Z. So X is 90 degree, Y 150 degree and Z 120 degree. Now add these three angles, we get 360 degree. Are you getting my point? Are you
Yes,
getting
sir.
my point? And same thing we have to apply for the second figure. You can see in the second figure, four exterior angle is given. X, Y, Z and W. We have to find the sum of these four exterior angle. And for this, three interior angle is given. 120 degree, 80 degree and 60 degree. Right? Simply first we are drawing the figure. X, Y, Z, W. Right? It is angle X, it is angle Y, it is angle Z, and it is angle W. This four exterior angle we have to find. And for this 60, 80 and 120, this three interior angle is given and it is angle 4. We have to find. right?
Yes.
Okay, now you can see this four interior angle. We know that angle sum property of a quadrilateral, it is 360 degree. So we can add this four angle first. 60 plus 80 plus 120 plus angle 4 is equal to 360 degree. So what is the answer? 60 plus 80, 140. 140 plus 120, it is 260 degree, plus angle 4 is equal to 360 degree. So angle 4 is equal to 360 degree minus 260 degree. We get angle 4 is equal to 100 degree. Right? Now you can see clearly interior angle and exterior angle are making linear pair in every angle. So we can easily find out the another exterior angle. You can see 60 plus z, 80 plus y. 60 plus z is equal to 180. 80 plus y is equal to 180. And 120 plus x is equal to 180. And 100 plus w is equal to 180. Because of they making linear pair. So if you want to find z, z is equal to 180 minus 60. We get 120 degree. If you want to find y is equal to 180 minus 80, 100 degree. X is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree. So we get 60 degree. And W is equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree. So we get 80 degree. Now what we have to find in a question? We have to find the sum of this four exterior angle. So you can see clearly 120 plus 100, 220, 220 and 60, 280, 280 and 80, we get 360 degree. Now please see the last theory. Yesterday I explained you the addition angle sum property for exterior angle for any polygon, it is always 360 degree. Now you can see in these two question, in first question it is triangle, in second question it is quadrilateral. But you can see the sum of exterior angle we get 360 degree. Same sum we get in quadrilateral. Why? Because of in these two figure, we know that the sum of exterior angle is always 360 degree. Clear all of you? Clear all of you?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, write down question number 7. Then we will start exercise 3.2.
સર થોડુંક ઝૂમ કરો ને.
શું કીધું બેટા?
થોડુંક ઝૂમ કરો ને. બસ.
ઓકે.
હા સર.
Finish.
Written all of you.
નો સર બાકી છે.
Yes, sir.
Jalilak Sai.
સર રિટર્ન.
Okay. Okay, now we are starting exercise 3.2. Okay. Find x in the following figures. Two figure is given here, triangle and quadrilateral, in which we have to find x, where x is the exterior angle, right? But we know that the sum of exterior angle in any polygon is 360 degree. Here two exterior angle 125 and 125 degree is given. So we have to find x, it is very easy, right? In first question, there are two exterior angle 125 and 125 and third unknown angle x. But we know that the angle sum of exterior angle of any polygon is 360 degree. So 125 plus 125 is equal to 250 plus x is equal to 360 degree. So we get x is equal to 360 degree minus 250 degree. What is the answer? X is equal to 360 minus 250, 110. Okay? Yes or no?
યસ.
Yeah.
Now you can see the second figure. In second figure, we have pentagon. But in pentagon, two exterior angles 60 and 70 and two right angle 90, 90 given. We have to find unknown angle x. But we know that the sum of pentagon, sum of exterior angle of pentagon, it is also
3.
360 degree, right? So
યસ.
60 degree plus 90 degree plus 70 degree plus 90 degree plus x is equal to 360 degree. Now add this 150, 150 and 160, 310. plus x is equal to 360 degree. So what is the answer? X is equal to 360 degree minus 310. What is the answer? X is equal to 50 degree. Clear all of you?
Yes.
Now you can see question number 2. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 9 side and 15 side. We have to find the each exterior angle in question number 2. Okay, now we know that what is the formula for each exterior angle. Each exterior angle is equal to, we have formula 360 degree divided by n. So for first question, for 9 side we can take n is equal to 9. So what is the answer? 360 divided by 9. So what is the answer? 40 degree. What is the answer? 9 4s are 36 and
40
0
degrees.
40
Yes.
degree. Okay. And second, for 15 side polygon, we can take n is equal to 15, put in the formula 360 divided by 15. What is the answer? 24 degree. 15 ones are, sorry, 15 twos are 24, 15 twos are 30, right? And 6 reminder, so
Yes.
6 0 60, 15 for the 60. So we get 24 degree and 40 degree, right? It is question number 2. Now you can see question number 3. How many sides does a regular polygon have if their measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree? How many sides? So we have to find n, right? So here given that each exterior angle is equal to, we have formula 360 divided by n. Here each exterior angle given 24 degree is equal to 360 degree divided by n. Now we have to find n. N means number of sides. We have to find number of sides. So 360 divided by 24 degree. Here n we are taking left side and 24 we are taking on the right side. So it's become denominator. Okay. Now divide these two. So we get n is equal to 15. N is equal to 15. How? 24 ones are 24, 12 remainder and 0 120. So it means 24 5s are 120. So we get n is equal to 15. So it means 15 sides polygon, 15 sides polygon having each exterior angle. Which angle? Exterior angle. Exterior angle as 24 degree. Are you get it? Okay, now write down question number 1, 2 and 3 fast.
સર આ શું લખેલું છે એક્સટીરિયર એંગલ એટ પછી શું લખેલું છે
કઈ જગ્યાએ બેટા?
સર અહીંયા લાસ્ટમાં ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 3 ધ ઇટ
As 24 degree.
ઓકે સર સર રિટર્ન
સર એક્સટીરિયર એંગલ 25 લખ્યું છે
શું બેટા?
એક્સટીરિયર એંગલ 25 લખ્યું છે થર્ડમાં
કયા ક્વેશ્ચનમાં? થર્ડમાં?
360 degree upon 9
નાઇટના નીચે
n.
અપોન n.
નહીં નીચે સર ઇટ મીન્સમાં
અહીંયા
થર્ડમાં લાસ્ટ ઇટ મીન્સ 15 સાઇઝ પોલિગોન
it
હેવિંગ ઇટ
means 15 side polygon having each exterior angle as 24 degree.
તો સેકન્ડ નંબર પર ઝૂમ કરો
કયા ક્વેશ્ચન ઉપર ઝૂમ કરું?
સેકન્ડ
સેકન્ડ ઉપર. નો બેટા લખી લો ફટાફટ.
સર થોડુંક જોઈ આવતું કરે મને 3rd નંબર નથી.
થઈ ગયો
Now write down question number 3.
સર મારે સેકન્ડ લખો દો, સેકન્ડ બાકી.
શું કીધું?
સર આ એક્સટીરિયર એંગલ પછી શું છે? આ ઇટ મીન્સ સાઇડ પોલિગન હેવિંગ each exterior angle પછી
As 24 degree.
સર સેકન્ડ નંબર ઉપર ઝૂમ કરો ને, મારે ઈ થોડુંક બાકી.
ચલો જલ્દી લખો. આજે વેન્સડે છે એટલે આપણે સેકન્ડ લેક્ચર બી આવશે, લાસ્ટ લેક્ચર. તો ત્યારે આપણે છે ને 3.3 ને રિલેટેડ ટાઇપ્સ ઓફ ક્વોડ્રિલેટરલની ટોટલ થિયરી કમ્પ્લીટ કરશું, રાઈટ? અને કાલે જે લેક્ચર આવે એમાં એક્સરસાઇઝ 3.3 કમ્પ્લીટ કરશું.
ઓકે સર.
Written all of you?
ઉભારો સર, થોડુંક
બોલો
બાકી.
મારો
ચલી લખો બેટા.
સર over.
Written all of you?
Yes.
Okay, now see question number 4. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of the interior angle is 165 degree? Okay, now you can see in this question interior angle 165 degrees given, right? What is given? Interior angle. Interior angle is equal to 165 degree given. But we know that interior angle plus exterior angle is equal to 180 degree because of its make a linear pair.
Sir,
So 165 degree plus
sir,
exterior angle. Yes, beta.
સર તમે ઇન્ટિરિયરની સ્પેલિંગ રોંગ લખી છે એક જ આર આવે.
Okay, no problem. આ બેટા ગ્રામર નો ક્લાસ નથી, મેથ્સ નો ક્લાસ છે. Okay. Now you can see exterior angle is equal to 180 minus 165 degree. So we get exterior angle is equal to 15 degree, right? It is each exterior angle. Now we know that each exterior angle is equal to, what is the formula? Each exterior angle is equal to 360 degree divided by n, where n is the number of side. So each exterior angle we get 15 degree is equal to 360 degree divided by n. So if you want to find n, we can easily find 360 divided by 15. Now we can see divide by 2, 15 to 15, 15 2s are 30, 6 remainder 6 0 60, 15 4s are 60. So we get n is equal to 24 sides. So we can say that in 24 sides polygon, it is possible to having interior angle as 165 degree. Okay. Okay, write down
Yes.
question number 4.
Written.
Okay, now question number 6 and 7, sorry, 5 and 6 we will do in next lecture. Last question is question number 4. Please write down fast. So written all of you.
Yes.
Okay, so now we will meet in next lecture and we will do further question number 5 and 6. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, tell me if you have any doubt.
No doubt.
No doubt.
Okay, again I am telling you, all of you students, please send me homework